Hello everyone. Today I gave this presentation in front of some college students and they found it quite interesting. So I thought of sharing with you, but I don't have any proper recording, so I'm just recording through the mobile. So we all know this Rahim Dua, of course. This is to remind us about the importance of water. And also, we must not forget that we are made of five basic elements, and of which water is the most important component. So, that is why we must give due respect to water. In fact, we must worship all the five elements. This is the distribution of world's water. 97% water is in oceans and seas, and only 3% is fresh water, of which only 1% is accessible surface fresh water. So you can think of the gravity of the situation. This is representing the respective volumes of water availability as well as the earth volume. Green water is something which is within the plants and all this greenery, and which what has we don't have access to that. Blue water is what is available on ponds, rivers, and all that. Grey water is what we once you have used and can be used again. Black water requires treatment, so we have sewage treatment plants. This is the main approach, pyramid approach for sustainable water management. Now we all know what is sustainable. Sustainability means which is economically viable, socially acceptable, environmentally benign, and also fosters peace and partnership. That is sustainable. So this is the approach where we are saying that if we don't do anything, then the bottommost we will be consuming that much water. But slowly with conservation measures you can bring down the requirement, and then efficiency measures, and then renewable means regenerating water or reusing, harvesting, and all that. So this pyramid must be understood very well, and I explained it to the children properly. Every point, zero leakage, starting with zero leakage, zero seepage, zero evaporation and overflow and all that, where without spending money we can actually conserve water, because this is a thing which is neglected mostly, conservation. So this has to be understood well. And then the same thing we have explained, we have written down what is zero leakage. Zero to hero means starting with zero leakages and all that, how we can become water hero. All these points, of course, many have already known. Then coming to these indirect measures, actually what I told them that all these things are which are directly in our hand. Those are coming into the pyramid, but there are much more issues which are indirect measures. Like supposing we save electricity, we also save water, because in thermal power plants, for generating 1 unit of electricity, 3 to 4 liters of water is consumed. So when we save electricity, indirectly we are also saving water. Same way food, when we are avoiding wastage of food, we are also saving water and energy, because food requires both. So there is a nexus between food, energy, and water. Then clothes, same logic holds good for clothes, because clothes is next item which require again not only water but also energy. So when we use clothes as per the need, not as per the creed or fashion, too much of fashion, then we are saving both. Then less water intensive food. New crops are coming, or even rice, we know that it requires a lot of water. So we must choose our food also in such way that which requires less of water. Then when we explain all these things, finally the students don't show much interest. Then when I told them that that if you look at it from the angle of what is in it for me, then you will find it interesting, because then you can think can I get some idea? Can I start my startup? Can I how to explore some jobs in water conservation, efficiency, water management? How to do some business? I told them there are several opportunities, several jobs and business opportunities. Innovations are potential is there if we want to work on sustainable water management. So this is something which I explained to them, and then finally they were all happy, and they told me that we will get in touch with you, sir. Hope that you all like this presentation. Thank you very much.